What's the meaning of aikido? Aikido. 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 Aikido is a Japanese martial art that emphasizes using an opponent's energy and movements against them, rather than inflicting harm. The word aikido can be translated to mean the way of harmonious spirit. Practitioners of aikido seek to blend with their opponents and redirect their attacks, rather than meeting force with force. Aikido techniques often involve joint locks and throws, and are designed to neutralize attacks without causing injury. Ultimately, aikido aims to promote physical and spiritual balance, while fostering a sense of personal growth and harmony with others.